In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Drive direct download links for any document. This is especially useful if you want to share files with people without requiring them to go through the additional steps of Google Drive Preview. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open Google Drive on your desktop. Make sure you're logged in with the Google account that owns the file you want to share. Once you're there, navigate to your file. It could be a document, spreadsheet, or any type of media you have stored in your Google Drive. Once you've found the file, right-click on it. You'll see a menu with several options. Here, click on Get Link. This will open a box showing the current access settings for the file. By default, it might be restricted to only specific people. To change this, click the Anyone with the Link option to make it more accessible. Now that we have adjusted the sharing permissions, there's an important step we need to take to create a direct download link. However, keep the link box open as we are going to use it shortly. First, copy the link as it appears in the box. You'll want to paste this into any text editor, your computer's notepad, for instance. This allows us to edit the URL directly. Now, take a look at the link you pasted. The URL will include a string of random letters and numbers after the ID. This is the file ID. Make sure not to disturb the rest of the URL before or after this ID string. This string is the most crucial part of your link modification, as it identifies your specific file to Google's servers. Next, replace the portion of the URL that starts with HowView with the following text: UC Export Downloadin. This simple modification effectively converts your shared documents link into a direct download link. It essentially tells Google Drive to bypass the preview screen and initiate a download as soon as the link is accessed. Let's go over that process again briefly. You copied and pasted the original link, identified and preserved the file ID, and then replaced the View portion to create a direct downloader link. It's a straightforward change, yet it significantly enhances how you can distribute your files. Once you have created your direct download link, you can test it by opening a new browser tab and pasting the link into the address bar. If everything's in order, your download should start automatically without opening the document in the Drive interface first. And there you have it, an easy way to create a Google Drive direct download link for any file. This method is incredibly useful when sharing files with teams, friends, or the wider public, streamlining the process and removing any inconveniences associated with opening and clicking through the preview screen. Happy sharing!